Good morning! Merong nagtatrabaho. Merong pinapalitan na tiles kasi isa lang. Kasi may isang tile na merong yung corner. Kakaalis lang na kasi may meeting siya. Akala niya matatapos sila before siya umalis. Pero kailangan niya umalis. So, umalis na siya. Pero malapit na sila matapos. Natanggal na nila yung tile. Ilalagay na lang nila. So, kinakat na nila yung tile ngayon. Tapos, ilalagay nila. Tapos, they should be done. And then, I'll just edit a video while waiting for them to finish. And then, after that, I will clean the outside kasi, Dan's family is coming over tomorrow. Pupunta yung papa niya. And then, yung mga kapatid niya. So, lilinisin ko yung labas kasi sobrang daming dahon. And it's a good day today. It's actually windy. I'm not sure if you can see the outside. No, you can't. I tried. You cannot see the outside. Hello! They are done. Umalis na sila. Isang tile took them 2 hours and a half. Not quite sure. 2 hours, almost 2 hours and a half. I'm actually looking at the visa. I mentioned on my previous vlog na I will need to apply for Japan visa because I need one. I emailed Japan consulate here in Adelaide. Hindi na pala sila nagpa-process for inquiries about Japan visa and how to apply. Kailangan sa Melbourne na consulate now. So I emailed the Melbourne consulate and then they sent me a link sa website where I can get one. So it is the melbourne.au.m. Basta, ililive ko yung link below if you guys are interested. A lot of you have been asking me na i-vlog yung pag-process ko ng visa. So, ililive ko yung link below and nandito na lahat ng information. Like, for holiday, sightseeing, for short-term stay, kailangan mo ng valid Australian visa. So, isi-send ko lang sa kanila yung visa ko. And then, I need to send this to them. My passport, of course. And then, application form as well. I will need to fill this up. I'm actually doing this today. Kasi hindi ko alam kung gaano katagal yung pag-process nila ng visa. So, I'm gonna take care of this right now. Isisend ko din sa kanilang itinerary. So, nandun na lahat yung information, guys. Of course, it's gonna be different sa ibang countries. I'm applying here in Australia. So, I'm at the melbourne.au.embassy website right now. Pero, I suggest you Google it. Kasi I get questions a lot about visas. And some people ask me, like, visa to Canada and US and, visa to Canada, and some ask me visa to Netherlands. I have no idea, guys. Hindi pa ako nakapunta ng Canada, hindi pa ako nakapunta ng Netherlands. You know what I mean? And, so I suggest if you guys are applying for visa, just Google it. And then, it's best to do it on the website itself. And you will see all the information online. Kasi a lot of people ask me as well, like, ano yung requirements and, hindi ko na matandaan lahat ng requirements sa visa ko sa US at saka sa visa ko dito sa Australia kasi matagal na ako nag-apply eh. So, if you go online, dun mo mababasa lahat ng requirements and mas accurate siya kaysa sa ako sasabihin ko sa inyo, you know? So, I suggest just Google if you are like applying for a visa kasi mas accurate si Google kaysa sa akin. So I will just do this. I'll apply and then I need to vacuum the floor where they installed the tiles as well. The tile as well. And then I will clean the outside as well. So I'm not sure if I can film today. Looks like it's gonna be a long, productive day. But we'll see. Na-vacuum ko na yung na-vacuum ko na yung floor, tapos, na-ano ko na yung laundry. Now, I will need to, oh my gosh, sweep all these leaves, you guys. Sobrang daming leaves sa labas. So, wawalisin ko yan. Actually, sabi ni Dan, siya daw gagawa pagdating niya. Tapos, naisip ko, okay lang naman. Di naman to ganun ka hirap. So, gagawin ko siya. Wait, let me get my flip-flops. Gulo. Ito yung nabili ni Dan pala sa Landmark na hindi ko napakita sa haul ko. But yeah, ang ganda diba guys? Tapos yan yung hindi ko napakita ko din sa haul ko. Yan yung brown version ng sandals na nabili ko sa Recto. Yan yung yung napakita ko sa haul. But yeah, let's do this. Tingnan nyo to guys. Nilalak namin yung aming mail kasi feeling namin merong kumukuha ng aming mail kasi lagi na lang wala. Hindi kami sanay na walang laman yung mail kasi meron siya dapat talaga lagi. Like usually yung mga advertisements ng mga kung ano-ano. And ano ba yung pinunta? Oh yeah, walis. And yeah, so nung pagdating namin dito, napapansin namin na hindi na kami nakakatanggap ng mail. I wasn't on focus. My gosh. So, yun. Wait, open ko na lang yung garage. Maglilinis-nisin ko na lang din dito siguro. Oh my gosh, ang dumi. Gusto ko na kasi maligo. Tapos ayoko namang maligo. Tapos maglilinis ako after. So, linisin ko na lang siya. And then I will ligo. So, yeah, I'll do that. Tapos ko nalinisin yung labas. Hindi siya like sobrang ganun kalinis. Kasi yung mga dahon bumabalik kasi it's windy outside. Pero it's way better looking now. Tapos I clean the garage as well. Pagbalik na Dan, masya-shock yun kasi yung garage inayos ko ng bongga. Now, I will be eating lunch. I have my rice, of course. And then, century tuna na flakes and oil. Healthy to, diba? Healthy ba to, guys? Hinit up ko lang siya sa microwave. And yeah, kain tayo. So, I just got out of the shower. And I was gonna use this, but then I left it here. And then dun ako sa shower, basa na ako. And I was like, my vanity planet. I forgot. Pero yeah, I need to put this in the bathroom. So, next time, hindi ko siya makakalimutan. I'm doing it right now. Yes. I think we will go to the shops today kasi, na-mention ko na ba? Dan's family is coming over tomorrow. So, yung papa niya, minsan ko lang makikita, bukas yung third time na makikita ko yung papa niya. Third ba? Yeah, first was... Yeah, third. Yung stepdad niya, yung lagi ko nakikita every week. Pero yung papa niya, hindi. So, they will come over tomorrow. We will buy drinks sa Coles ata today or Woolies. We'll see. What am I doing? Nilagay ko to kanina nung hindi pa dumating sa Dan and alam ko na hindi niya magugustuhan. So, hindi niya talaga nagustuhan. I'm taking it off. He said he doesn't mind, but he doesn't like it. So, tatanggalin ko siya. Nakuha ko yan from Dresslink eh. And gagawin ko sana siyang background. Kaya lang, naman, background sa video. Kaya lang hindi ko siya ma-install kasi hindi ko alam kung gagawin ko sa kanya. But yeah, I'll take it off. Sana kung yellow lang sana siya, tapos steady, okay sana. Kaya lang, iba-iba yung kulay, tapos hindi mo siya maset. Ganyan na talaga siya. Oh well. Danny boy is here. Say hi, babe.
Hello.
Hello! It's working. Ay! It's not. Shitless. Thought it was working. Then it's not. I don't know. Ay, kailangan ko siya hawakan. I'm using the, I need to figure out later. Kasi gumaganon yung camera eh. But yeah, I'm using the car mount that Roslyn gave me. But I can't put it on, on the mirror in the front, the glass. Kasi ayaw. Doesn't work. Kasi yung glass pa ganon. Kailangan niya ng straight lang. It won't make sense, but yeah. Yes, it works. It works. I just need to hold it up kasi baka malaglag siya. Oh well. Punta kami ng Coles. Are we going to Coles? You wanna go to Woolies?
Going to Woolies?
Yeah. Let's go to Woolies, babe.
We could drive further. Okay.
Further? Sige, Coles.
Let's go to Coles. We're only getting a few things.
Yeah. Let's go to Coles, people. I'm wearing my hat because it's really hot. Yeah, I don't want my forehead to burn. It's already burnt. It's black. Cornflakes for the bear. $4. Lego, get some drinks. Coke is $2 for $4. We don't usually buy this, pero bukas kasi pupunta yung mga niya. They like Coke. Did you get the zero? Did you get the zero, babe?
Yeah.
No? Oh, yeah, okay. Tinitingnan na Dan yung pizza dito para bukas. Kasi nirecommend to yung ng friend niya na nakatira banda dito. So, yeah. La Romana. Danny boy. Danny boy. Danny boy. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Look at this, you guys. They let Danny boy take this home. Like, this is the menu in the restaurant. But they were like, yeah, you can take it home. And then Dan was like, this, I can take home. He's like, yeah, you can. Legit. Lit. Babe. You're lit, babe. You're lit. Babe. Babe. You're lit. Today's dinner will be lumpia. I will be cooking lumpia. First time ko magluluto ng Filipino style lumpia dito. So I have here pork and then my onion. Do you want me to add mushroom?
Yeah.
I'm adding sprouts as well.
Yeah.
Yeah? Mushroom is good. Mushroom's good. Okay, let's do that. I'll just prepare dinner, you guys. Ingredients are ready, so I cut up my onions. I have this bean sprouts left over from yesterday, and then we have carrots and mushroom, and then the rice paper roll. No, not rice paper. Spring roll pastry. Looks like this. I think this is $2 from Kohl's or Woolies, but yeah. I'm just waiting for it to parang soften a bit kasi galing siya sa freezer. So, I think I will take a rest for like 15 minutes just to make sure na like okay na siya i-peel off. Tapos i-peel off ko siya lahat and then I will start cooking. Okay, so I'm gonna start cooking. Ilalagay ko lang yung onion. Tapos kapag naging translucent na yung onion, ilalagay ko yung minced na pork, which is right here. And then after parang malapit na maluto yung pork, ilalagay ko yung aking mushroom at saka carrot. And then like later on, kapag malapit na maluto lahat, or kapag luto na yung pork, kapag luto na yung pork, ilalagay ko yung bean sprout. So that is what I am doing. And inaano ko lang, sinaseparate ko lang din yung spring roll sheet. This is what it looks like right now. It actually looks really good, you guys. Nilagay ko na lahat ng ingredients. Tapos, naglagay ako ng yung Worcestershire sauce. Hindi ko ma-pronounce na sauce. And then, a little bit of salt. That's it. I will taste it and I will have Dan taste it as well. And then, if it's good, then I will let it cool off for a bit. Ay, naglalaway na ako. And then, ilalagay ko siya sa lumpia. Yes. Ooh, careful, hot. Yummers? Yeah, I actually turned it off already. It's ready. I just need to...
The sprouts are good.
Sorry? The sprouts? Yes, he said sprouts.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good. Yay! I'm just gonna let it cool and then... Are you sure you want cheese on yours?
Yep.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. He wants cheese on his spring roll. So I actually cooked spring roll. I think, was that last week, babe? I think last week. Yeah, it was beef with cheese in a spring roll. So yeah, and he liked that so much with the cheese, right? What did you love? Because you didn't like it so much?
I did.
He liked it, and now he wants cheese on in his spring roll again. So yes. It's done. It didn't get like brown, really brown, pero it's cooked and it's really crispy. Like, See, can you hear that? It's really crispy, you guys. That looks so good. Pero kay Dan yan ay merong cheese. Anim dito, merong cheese. That's for Dan. And then I actually have some left in here. We will freeze this. Tapos, i-fry namin siya next time. But yeah, dinner is ready, babe. Hello, I will get a mask. I will try a... Oh, by the way, I read a comment on one of my videos na sabi parang hindi na daw ako nagmamask. I still wear mask, you guys. I still wear it regularly, not every single day, but... Do you guys like my shirt? Mickey Mouse. Is that Mickey Mouse? Mickey, Minnie? Di ko alam. Mickey, right? Lalaki si Mickey? Yeah. Anyway, I will go ahead and use a mask. I will be trying on this Animal Cutie Mask Pack, Whitening Aqua. Panda, so cute. So yeah, I will do that. But yes, you guys, I still wear mask regularly. Once a week, sometimes twice a week, depende. Just putting on a mask, talking to my people.
Mickey's.
Mickey.
Yes.
Mickey. Look at this mask. Looks like you. This is you. How do you open this English?
Stupid. Right there.
Oh, that's his feet.
So you open it.
You open it. Kainis ka. You running or?
Yeah.
Babe, it looks like a mask. I mean, a mask, a panda.
It is a panda.
I mean, the mask. It looks a panda. It's a panda mask. It will make you look like a panda. And you're so supportive. I love it. Not.
Training.
Allah, look at me! Allah, I have ears. Oh my gosh. It's cold. It's summer here, but for some reason tonight it's cold. Hello, babe. Don't drop it. This part, the printed part, it's kind of hard. Pero it's cute. Love it. Babe, are you tatakbo?
Yep.
Are you going takbo?
Yep.
Yup. Good boy. Yeah, you got to. After that deep fried spring roll.
I asked you to make me something healthy.
Oh, whatever. It was your decision the whole time. It's like, babe, let's do the pork, please.
I don't want a salad.
So mean to me, this guy. Okay, so I will let it sit on my face for maybe an hour. So, pabalik na dan, wala na to. I need to... Oh, we have lights here na. Yeah, yellow, but hey, hello. Lights. Let there be light. Ngayon, kanina lang niya install eh.
Don't step on it, babe.
I'm not stepping on it. Let's put something on here.
Nah.
That's
You
alright.
don't put anything on there because you know.
So we don't miss it.
I didn't have it missed it once. Don't put that there. It's not going to work. It's going to slide.
Yeah.
Oh, stupid. I'll go for a run.
Why are you sad? You don't want to go for a run? Babe? No? Hello, this happened. Tinamad si Dan tumakbo, so sabi niya maglalakad lang daw siya. And sabi niya maglakad na lang tayo. I will vlog now and then I'll leave this camera. So iwan ko tong cam na to. Maglalakad kami, napa-jacket at napa-leggings tuloy ako kasi malamig sa labas. Anyway, iwan ko kayo guys dito. Bye! Hello, we're back! And my mask is back. Nung sinabi niya na maglalakad kami, tinanggal ko yung mask ko. Binalik ko siya sa packet niya. Buti na lang nandun pa yung packet. And then, yeah, I'm wearing it again. And I will close my vlog. It's already... What time is it? 9:58. Wow, in 2 minutes, my video will be up. Kasi ano eh, 2 hours and 2 hours and a half ahead kami sa Pilipinas. Anyway, I will go ahead and go. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like, please subscribe. I will see you guys tomorrow. Do not forget to be goodbye. Good night. Good night, babe. Good night. Bye.